Hi everyone, Wuthering Waves 2.8 banner is just around the corner and the hype is real for our new characters. The stylish Havoc Brawler, Chisa, and the Electro Resonator, Bulin. Plus, we're expecting a rerun banner for the awesome 5-star character, Phoebe. But what if you could create your own dream banner with all three of them together? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create multi-character moving banner step by step. Okay, open Moescape AI and click on Image Gen. And on the right side of the interface, you will see Regional Prompter. Click on it. And there are many presets. For this case, I'm going to go with 3 equal columns because I have 3 characters. And make sure you click on Command Prompt. Command Prompt applies to all 3 of the columns. For this case, I'm going to write 3 girls looking at the camera, full body, dynamic pose, low angle, dark red lake background, moon hanging on the sky. And on my first prompt, which is the one on the left, I want Phoebe. Enter the prompt for Phoebe and write down your negative prompt. And in the middle, I want Chisa. Enter the same negative prompt. And on the right side, I want Bulin, also negative prompt for this. And after you finish writing the prompts for all 3 of them, just click on continue. Right now you will see your prompt is written down, also all the negative prompt here. So you can choose your assembly methods. For this case, I want to choose Violet Ancestral. I think it works the best for regional prompter. And for my model, I'm gonna go with Nova Orange XL. And you can adjust your steps here. I'm gonna adjust to around 67. If you want your characters to have more accurate outfit, I would recommend adding spells. So in here, I already have my favorite spells in my favorite collection. Choose Bulin, Chisa, and Phoebe. Right now, the spells are added, the prompts are done. And make sure to turn on high resolution fix for better image quality. Also a detailer for better character face. Okay, right now everything is set and you can choose how many images you want. For this, I want 1. And click on generate and just wait. Okay, so the result is out and the detail looks good, but I'm not happy with the eyes. They all have the same eyes. So to change their eyes quickly, save this picture first. And then go to image editing. Click on new session and just write down Wuthering Waves eyes. So image editing allows you to edit your image in just words, natural language. And it's a lot faster if you want to change small details. You can write down your prompt. It's doing okay, but the image quality got a little bit compressed. Now I want to turn this image into video. You can just directly click on video. For this one, I want to choose the latest Clean 2.5 Turbo. Choose my resolution and the length of the video. Write down your prompt. There are 2 results. Let's look at the first one. Hope you enjoyed this Wuthering Waves banner tutorial. Drop a like if it helped and tell me which part you like the most. And type prompt if you want the prompt.